Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can send payment link on Revolut. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Revolut app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, tap on the two arrows icon at the bottom of your screen and your transfer section will open up. Inside this page, tap on the New button at top right corner and all of the available payment methods will be displayed. Here, tap on the Create a Payment Link feature and a menu will slide up. Inside it, if you want to send money, tap on the first one and you will be redirected to the respective page. But if you want to request money, select the second option and your payment link will be displayed. Now you can just copy it and then send it to receive money. That's how you can send payment link on Revolut. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.